So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Penguin, its price prediction 2025 and its major central exchange listing because still this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange, but as this not a dog theme meme coin or a cat theme meme coin, the penguin theme meme coin, so that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin also. And we can see its major central exchange listing here because right now this meme coin is in big dip here also. We are 92% down the all time high also. So is it possible that this meme coin can be the next 1000x potential meme coin here or not? So videos be very special where you have to just for the complete video here. As if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel and click here and print message. You can get these crypto addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel by BNB, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana for the next 1000x potential meme coins. So friends, Pangus name $0.15 current price is drop almost 3% here, and you can see its last 30 performance is also not good here, and total market cap is $15.8 million. So super low cap meme coin and $1.3 million trading volume. This is good. That trading volume is very good. 9 million coin supply. Okay, friends. So very low supply. Okay, only 9 million coin supply and all the circulation and other Solana ecosystem meme coin. Friends, you can see Solana ecosystem meme coin. They are 92% down. This all time high. That was 9 months ago. So this meme coin right now is in big dip here. Okay, 92% down the all time high and just 88% up the all time low. So coin has just killed 1-0, but when this meme coin will make new all time high, then we can get at least I think 20x profit from here. Okay, if this coin just hits all time high, then that will be the I think 20x profit from here. But I think in next year mega bull run, this meme coin can goes up to maybe 50 to maybe 500x or 1000x here. Okay, because this is not a dog theme meme coin or a cat theme meme coin. This is penguin theme meme coin, a bird theme meme coin. So that's why this meme coin can perform really amazing. MEXE has listed where I'm holding this meme coin. Bioeconomy, Get.io has listed, and BingX, CoinX has listed, Finex has listed, Arbit has listed. Some Solana DEXs has listed this coin. You can see friends, but still there's no KuCoin exchange listing. There's no Crypto.com, Bybit, but definitely when this meme coin will be listed on these all central exchanges, then we can see is massive hype in crypto market, and this market cap that is just $15 million here can goes into $1 billion, no doubt. And the website is also looking good. You can also check out this website here. You can see you can check out all further details here that people tell me I look like Pepe. I tell them I'm a penguin. Okay, so it's possible that this meme coin can also be the next Pepe. This meme coin can give us same returns as Pepe. You can see our partners CoinMarketCap, DAX Scanner, and Godbit, DAX Tools, and it's all further details available on their website. And this meme coin is also listed on you can see friends these central exchanges that I will show you. MEXC, Get.io, Albank, OKX, Polnix, Bitget is listed, BingX is listed, but still lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. So maybe in coming few weeks we can see this major central exchange listing also. You can see there's no buying selling tax for this meme coin. Liquidity is burn and total supply is just 100 million coins. So supply is very low for this meme coin. So these are some reasons. That's why I think this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, one reason is supply. Another reason, this is the penguin theme meme coin, not a dog or cat theme meme coin. So this another unique thing about this meme coin. Third unique thing about this meme coin is that still this meme coin is not listed on any major central exchange, and this is right now super low cap meme coin. So this can be the next big meme coin, friends. But because this is a meme coin, so can be highly risky also. I'm already investing in this meme coin. I buy this meme coin for just $20 and I'm going to hold this meme coin for next at least 8 to 12 months from here, and after that I will sell out these penguin coins here. But I buy at my own research, at my own risk. So if you're also making investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here.